Oslob is one of the popular tourist spots in Cebu, and getting there from Davao is quite easy. The fastest way to go to Oslob from Davao City is by taking a flight to Cebu City and then bus to Oslob from Cebu South Bus Terminal. If you book in advance, you can easily find a ticket for around 2,000 pesos. But if last minute ang decision mo to go to Oslob, it may cost you a lot if you book a flight. So an alternative is to go on a land trip. Obviously, mas mahaba ang biyahe, so it's not for everyone. Meron na din sana ferry from Davao direct to Cebu, but currently ToGo has suspended its operations for this route. Maraming ways to go to Cebu from Davao via bus and ferry. Pwede ka na mag-bus to CDO or Butuan, tapos sakay ka na ng ferry to Cebu. Pwede ka rin sumakay ng Manila-bound na Ceres Transport Bus from Ecoland Terminal, tapos baba ka ng Dumaguete. Nasa 3,100 pesos lang yung pamasahe including na yung ferry and will take you around 27 hours. From Dumaguete, sakay ka ulit ng bus going to Oslob. 105 pesos naman ang pamasahe to Oslob from Dumaguete, tapos 165 pesos naman yung ferry. Nasa 3 hours ang total na biyahe. Limited lang ang biyahe ng Ceres Transport from Ecoland, once a day lang at 5:30 AM, so if you missed it, pwede ka rin mag-cutting trips. Sakay ka lang ng Rural Tours bus to CDO tapos transfer ka to Bulua Terminal from Agora. Mas maganda if you take the non-stop bus para 6 hours lang yung biyahe from Davao to CDO. From Bulua, sakay ka ng Dipolog-bound bus, then baba ka ng Pulo bus stop in Dapitan. Nasa 700 pesos naman ang pamasahe. Meron na mga tricycles doon going to the port at 50 pesos ang pamasahe. From Dapitan, sakay ka ng ferry to Dumaguete. Nasa 4 hours din yung biyahe. May option ka to take Montenegro, Fastcat, Cocalyong, or Evaristo. Sa apat na ito, yung Fastcat ang pinakamabilis. Nasa 3+ hours lang yung biyahe nito. Meron na rin direct to Oslob na light ferries, but very limited lang yung schedule, 3 times a week lang. So it might be a good idea to travel by Dumaguete na lang. And explore Dumaguete na rin. Based on my experience, maayos naman yung biyahe. Better if mag-overnight ka somewhere in Misamis Occidental para makapag-rest and recharge. Tapos, continue your journey the next day. But if kaya mo naman ng powers mo, pwede tuloy-tuloy lang. If need mo mag-book ng hotel, you can use our promo code Escape Manila Hotel if you book via Agoda, and Escape Manila Klook naman if you book via Klook. Yun lang for now, and make sure to follow for more. Until next vlog, amping!